Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika. In today's video, we are continuing our series of building a directory website using Divi theme and GeoDirectory plugin. In this video, we will see how to develop the header of our directory website. So let's get started. Before creating, we will be going on to front end and check the site. So there is default logo of Divi theme and default menu of GeoDirectory. So before creating the header, we will be creating the menu. So coming on to the dashboard, then coming on to appearance and then menus. Then we will create a menu naming it main menu. Then select as primary menu and then click create menu. So now we will be selecting our menus from here: home, about, blogs. Then click on add to menu to add it. Then for user's profile account, we will go on to user WP endpoint. Then select from here account, change password, profile and logout. Then click on add to menu. And for the users who are not registered, for them register, login, forgot password and then click on add to menu. Then coming on to GeoDirectory endpoints, then coming on to places where the listings will be displayed. Then click on add place and then click on add to menu. So now our all items are added in the menu, and now we will open this account one. Then write there my account, and then coming on to profile, we will drag and drop it under my account. Similarly, change password and logout also. And for those who are not logged in, for them we will be doing such as register, then forgot password, ever with. And we will drag and drop places above my account. Then keeping add places above the places. Then coming on to home, so we will be drag and drop it at the topmost, and then about and then blogs. So now we will click on save menu. Then coming on to front end, we will refresh it. We can see whatever we have added: home, about, blogs, at place, places, my account and profile, change password, logout, everything can be seen here. So now we will be changing the logo, and this has been explained on our channel of BuddyDevelopers. It has been entirely explained in this video of how we can create a logo free from Canva. So for changing up the logo, coming onto the dashboard, coming onto Divi and then theme option. So now we will be changing the default logo and click on upload. We will be using a logo which we have created from before, and then after selecting, we will click on save changes. Then coming back to the front end and then refresh the page, and now we can see that the logo which we have added is displaying here. We can also hide the search icon, so we can customize the header. For this, coming on to our dashboard, on appearance and then customize, and then open it in new tab. Then coming on to header and navigation, then click on primary menu. We can also make the header full width, but we are keeping it default. We can also change height from here. We are making no changes, and then coming on to header format. Currently it is in default. If we do it in centered, then it will look like this. Similarly, whatever options we will be choosing, it will look like that in alignment. So we are keeping it default right now. So now coming back to the header element, if we want, we can switch on this social icon. So if we switch it on, then it will be displayed with our menu. There's also option for show search icon. So it is currently switched on. If we will switch it off, then our search icon will be hidden. So now we will switch it off. So we can add here phone number, email. We are keeping it like that. So now we will publish it. Then coming on to front end and then refresh it. And now you can see that the search is hidden. So now we have created our header and also set it up with logo and menu. And remaining we will be designing the footer in the next video.
We also provide directory site development services. So, if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.